And oh, I've got a little bit of eye candy for you all. For those of you interested about my portable operation, this is a view from my balcony. Kilo Papa 4 Mike Delta. KP4 is the license prefix that's reserved for the island of Puerto Rico, and I put a slant P so there's no confusion. People know that I'm not actually in California if they look me up. If you go to KP4MD slant P on QRZ.com, it actually shows the Puerto Rico QTH. And this is a view 150 feet up in the air on a condo, and just a few hundred feet away from the shore here, the Atlantic Ocean. This is looking towards the northwest. Uh, People call this my saltwater amplifier. It does do a wonderful job of boosting up your signal. This, of course, is the Great Circle map, and it's to show you exactly where the island of Puerto Rico is. It's in the Eastern Caribbean, uh, and it's just to the east of Dominican Republic, Haiti, that island there. So it's a territory of the United States. So you don't need a passport to come here. You don't need to. You can use U.S. dollars, and um, everything is very convenient. It's very no customs or anything like that. This is my station that I pack and I carry when I operate here. It's a Elecraft KX3. I have the KXPA 100 amplifier. So if I need extra power, I can run 100 watts. This is a little PowerWorks switching power supply, which puts out up to 30 amps. It works very well. And then I even have the little pan adapters as the PX3, and that helps during contest operation with hunt and pounce operation. I could see where the stations are, and I could tune in on them and answer them. This is my laptop computer I'm using right now, and I use this for for logging. And then I brought my little Raspberry Pi. I use this for ham clock, and I run WSJTX for the digital modes here. And if you're interested how I carry that, I pack all of this stuff into a roller bag. This is the way I pack it all in my roller bag with bubble wrap, and I carry it on. I would never put that station into checked baggage because the way they throw stuff around, you don't want any kind of delicate equipment um, being checked baggage. So I carry this on and put it in the overhead bin. And I have a copy of my license here, and this helps sometimes with TSA. You know, TSA, of course, they're interested in all this stuff. And I say, yeah, it's a radio transmitter. Here's my license. Never had any trouble passing this through TSA. This is a view of the antenna, the buddy stick antenna. Some of you have this type of antenna. It's put up by Buddy Pole, and it's just a whip antenna with a loading coil here, adjustable loading coil. And I have a little close-up here of the mount. This is the, some people may have seen this JAWS mount that I've used out at Dry Creek Ranch. This is I'm using this as my counterpoint. Well, Phil doesn't like the word counterpoise, but this is the ground connection that the antenna is working against. And since it is painted, there's not a real physical electrical connection. So what I do is I wrap some aluminum foil around here, and it creates a good capacitive coupling to this. And it works very well. I don't need to use the so-called counterpoise wire that comes with this. And I get really good resonance on this antenna. And this is the loading coil. And it's got these little taps on here that I have figured out using my nano VNA. I've got the thing tuned so that I just plug this little wander lead into this here for 40 meters, there for 30 meters, 20 meters, 17 meters. And then for 15 meters, I just take off the coil and I put the 9-foot whip directly onto this other part of the antenna. So it's very simple to switch bands. And there's a view from the beach. I was looking up. You could barely, I don't know how well it's coming over there, but there's my antenna right on my balcony. And there's a little further view. And this shows the condo building that I'm in. And this is a little map showing you where I am located here, and it just shows the ocean facing out towards the north. And this is an example of the context, the tremendous reception I get over here. This is my location right in the center. And this was one night of whisper signals, load of signals coming in from Europe, North America, Australia, South America, and even Antarctica. So this is an excellent location. And just got some other views of the beach here. People like to go jet skiing, of course, sunbathing. And there's some local produce, a little kiosk they have right on the beach there if you like coconuts right from these coconut palms that are growing right on the beach. It is the obligatory selfie. And I think that's about it. So I'm going to show you a little view.
Looks like a hard life here.
Okay, well, that's pretty much it. I thought you'd enjoy a little bit of a tour of my portable station here.